Attention, space enthusiasts! Prepare to have your mind blown as we embark on an interstellar journey to uncover the hidden dangers lurking around our beloved planet Earth. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of the cosmos. In today's captivating video, we delve into the enigma of space junk. Brace yourselves for an eye-opening adventure. So what exactly is space junk? Let's start by demystifying this cosmic conundrum. Space junk refers to the vast collection of defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and debris resulting from human activities in space. It may sound harmless, but the reality is far more alarming than you might expect. Imagine a swarm of discarded satellites and rocket fragments whirling around our planet at astonishing speeds. This orbiting debris poses a significant threat to both present and future space missions. But how did this celestial landfill come to be? Well, it all began with the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, in 1957. Since then, countless satellites have been launched into orbit, along with various space missions and satellite collisions. These collisions generate more debris, exacerbating the problem. The International Space Station and other manned missions face constant peril as they navigate through a minefield of space junk. Even a small object can cause catastrophic damage if it collides with vital equipment or a spacecraft carrying astronauts. But it's not just astronauts and space missions at risk. Our everyday lives on Earth are also affected by space junk. Satellites vital for telecommunications, weather forecasting, and navigation are in constant danger of being struck, potentially disrupting our daily routines. Now let's answer the burning question: what are the consequences of space junk? The ramifications are multifaceted. The accumulation of debris increases the chances of collisions, creating a domino effect that generates even more fragments. This phenomenon, known as the Kessler syndrome, could render certain orbits unusable in the future, hindering space exploration and satellite operations. As we conclude this eye-opening expedition into the realm of space junk, it's crucial to acknowledge the collective responsibility we hold to mitigate this growing issue. Governments, space agencies, and private entities are actively working on solutions such as debris removal and designing satellites that burn up upon re-entry. Stay tuned for future videos where we unravel more cosmic mysteries and explore the wonders of our universe. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars.